Welcome to the wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. It was a mixed trading day. The Nasdaq added 0.3%, S&P 0.2. The Dow closed just above the unchanged line, but it was a new record, and the Russell closed down about 0.7%. Looking at the leading and lagging sectors, technology regained some early losses, closing up 0.6%. Financials gained close to 0.5%. Meanwhile, energy lost nearly 1%, while utilities closed down a little less than that. Turning to some stocks on the move, shares of Nordstrom are higher after a beat on both the top and bottom line. The retailer said revenue rose more than 3%, with a 1.9% uptick in comp store sales. Comp sales at Nordstrom Rack rose more than 4% year over year. In terms of guidance, Nordstrom is calling for a full-year sales between flat and 2% growth. Paramount shares slipped 7% after the company's go-shop period to seek other buyers ended, clearing the way for its merger with Skydance Media. A group of investors led by Edgar Bronfman Jr. withdrew their $6 billion rival buyout offer. The Skydance deal is now expected to close in the first half of 2025, pending regulatory approval. Eli Lilly will sell a cheaper single-dose vial of its Zepbound weight loss drug due to popular demand. They'll be priced about 50% below the current list price and are geared towards patients whose insurance doesn't cover the injections. Shares for Hims and Hers fell 7.5% after the announcement as competition in the space heats up. Let's take a look at what to watch for tomorrow. All eyes will be on NVIDIA, of course. The chipmaker reports earnings after the closing bell. CrowdStrike and Salesforce will also report. Before the bell, we'll get quarterly reports from Chewy, Abercrombie & Fitch, Foot Locker, and Kohl's. That'll do it for the wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.